What is going on, Biggie Mode for Brunch family? Sure. In this video, I took Daniel and Max fishing on our kayaks.
Sir.
Yeah.
Me too.
Okay. Let's go. Look at this disappointment right here. He doesn't know how to tie his own.
You're done, Max. You're getting canceled now.
He doesn't know how to. What even is this?
Also cut up.
He said it was fine off camera. He said it was. Oh man.
I cut a 1 foot red ear
On that?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you for real?
Yeah, there's alligators in this creek, so you already know.
Oh snap.
You want me to retie this? Oh, oh.
Yeah, put that one. Man, I'm telling you, Max, that was my best one yet. But
We're definitely gonna catch something right now.
yeah, there's like
I'm feeling optimistic.
4.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Like fruit rollers.
I'm going.
What are those fruity cereals?
Okay, push the kayak. Push the kayak in.
Yeah. I'll push the kayak.
Yeah, push it in.
Get in the front.
I have to be in the front. Wait.
Get it. Oh, Max, what about the same down?
No. Wait. I get in first. Push me, and then like give us the paddle. Daniel.
Sinking, bro.
Daniel.
100% sinking.
Daniel, you need to chill.
Oh no!
It's in my butt.
Oh no!
No, Daniel, don't panic, please. No, it's not sinking. It's okay. It's okay.
Filling with water?
Yeah, it just does that, but it's okay.
We're sinking. We're sinking, bro.
Okay, come on, guys.
Davai, hop in, bro.
Yeah, hop
The
in.
water feels wonderful. Oh man,
Hop in, babe. The water's just fine.
dude. Last time this happened, I had to swim a mile back.
Brilliant. What the heck?
So what are the chances that we sink?
50-50.
Boy. Those are not good chances. You got your phone?
No.
Oh. I should probably put mine back. You got your phone, Max?
No! Hey, what are you doing? No! Please. Please.
Yo, don't forget that you're the only one paddling.
Guys, this is so epic right now. Oh, I think I got something.
Don't do that. You're gonna hook yourself. Yo, no Nelly.
Dude, look at that, Max. You got a whole boat. Your butt isn't soaking wet. Must be nice.
Hey, take us over there. Oh no, the shrimp juice. This is definitely gonna attract something. All right, guys.
Wow, this is beautiful, bro.
Yeah. Guys, put it in the comments. Should I try this bait I got off of Temu? Okay, I'm gonna use it anyway. No, man.
Wait.
Please steer us this way. Please, you're gonna break my rods.
I won't let that happen again, sir. Oh, we're drowning.
You better not let that happen again. Give me the paddle, bro.
Okay.
Hey, we should have brought the gaff hook. Savelli, can you go get the gaff hook? What? Can you go get the gaff hook? Please. Pretty please.
You didn't even use it.
Did use it.
We're not gonna catch
We're gonna catch
that.
a massive gar. Excuse me. Guys, this is gonna be an epic catch, clean, cook video.
Yes, sir. Oh man, we're about to sink because of this.
No, please, what are you doing?
laughing?
This is so funny to watch.
What's so funny? We're professionals here, Max. Get me on video. Hey, Buster. Wait.
Oi.
No.
Oh, you're lucky I pulled it away.
I don't know, man. Maybe I should try with the... I don't even know. I should try with the Timu lure. This, the thing that you got.
I got the liquid.
Guys, what do you think's gonna bite this?
A big bad food, I guarantee.
Yeah.
Ah, man. Okay. Vem, хорошо.
You want your other rod?
I don't think shrimp would be good right now. It's on a buffer.
I'm filming. So that's going on the video.
And this time you could have caught 5 manatees,
That's true.
6 harpin,
That's true.
and 18 behemoth snappers.
I should use this.
Big month for brunch family. It's time for the Whopper Flopper action. Let's go. Oh. Hey, can you steer us over there so we don't hit the tree? Oh no. Okay, that's good. Alright guys, I'm switching out to a bobber right here and a hook because these fish are not biting the lures right now for some reason. All right. Fudge, man. Guys, look what I came up with.
I think I'm gonna get stuck.
Yeah. Please, not this again. That lure cost 20 bucks. No. No, it can't end like this. No. No, it cannot end like this.
Oh, it's over. Nah. What? Dude. Oh. Is it? Oh, snap.
Oh,
Did
jeez.
you go through both?
Oh, Ouch, that hurts a little bit.
How are you gonna get that out?
With pliers, like a mine.
Nah, bruh.
Ow, it's like this weird pain. Like if I pull it out, something's bad's gonna happen.
Bro.
Hey, at least I got a $20 bait. Hey, at least I got the bait out of the tree, guys. Am I right or am I right, lads? Yeah. Ouch. Guys, it hurts.
Careless. Yeah.
Eat it.
Let it go. There it goes, yay. Here. Давай вот этот вытащим. Разрежь этот.
No, please.
Давай.
Поехали, я тебя
Стоп! Мне не надо что-то выпить. Надо тебе. Но ты будешь терпеть. Тебе же еще нет 21. Так, вены тут нету, да?
Good job. I wouldn't be able to handle this.
О, надо чем-то остановить. Вот твоя жила. И он зацепил за жилу, да? Угу. Вау. Что ты делаешь? Вытаскиваю, что делаю. О, слава богу. Did you film that?
Yeah.
Oh. Спасибо, пап. Давай, протерем.
Сэкономили 3000.
Что там? Не 3000, а 5.
Ты
бы плакал?
Я бы не выдержал.
Тебе по морде бы дал.
Нужно было хорошо, да?
Чтобы накал.
Правильно, да.